Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful week. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings along with some product reviews and product hauls. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And guys, I'm really excited because today we have a brand new subscription. We have Decor-Spark. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and then we'll get into the box. I do want to say thank you so very much to Decor-Spark for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. So Decor-Spark is a monthly decor subscription, home decor subscription. I saw that, I was like, yes, please and thank you. So they actually offer quite a few different types of decor depending on your taste. They have farmhouse, modern chic, lodge, coastal. So they have multiple styles. So pretty much something for everyone. I have the farmhouse box because I love farmhouse. Now the box does start at $45.75. Now I do have promo codes. I actually have two. You can get $5 off with SM5 off, or if you go and sign up when you're signing up through Cratejoy, if you opt in to the mailing list, you can actually get 30% off for your first box. So that is really, really awesome. So we're going to get in here. We're going to see what they sent me. I'm so excited. You fill out a little profile. You kind of let them know your price range, what exactly you like. Even though you're selecting a category, you can still say, I like these colors. I like this. It does let you give them a better idea aside from just say farmhouse or, coastal. I really liked that aspect of this. So I went ahead and opened the box, and then right here on top is a card, I think. Okay, so this is just a thank you for doing the box, the review. Thank you again for sending it. I appreciate it so very much. All right, so it is open, and it's got all this pretty tissue paper that we're about to tear off. All right. Try and save that if I can. Okay, so let's see. Something's right on top here. And is this? Oh, this is potpourri. Oh, this smells really. Y'all, it has cotton in it. Well, you can't see, but right here in this vase, there's cotton stems. And I have some in my living room too. And this actually kind of smells like a fresh cotton. Now I'm wondering if this goes with this. It would make sense, I believe. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is total farmhouse. Yes. So I'm guessing we would put our potpourri in this wood dish. Oh, I'm loving that. There's like a dried rose. Oh, yes. I love that. Okay. Let's see. And then we have got something else wrapped up right here. More of that beautiful tissue paper. And then let's see. Y'all, we have a table runner and it is the buffalo plaid checkered. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Oh, they just stole my heart with buffalo plaid, y'all. They did. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, and then we've got, let me get my, oh my gosh. Y'all, oh my goodness. Sorry for the noise. But it looks like we're gonna have 2 candlesticks because there's another. Oh my gosh, and those are so nice. Yes. Oh. So yes, we have 2 beautiful. I love the distressed look. Total farmhouse. Oh my gosh, these are gonna look so beautiful on that table runner. Y'all, stop it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go get some pillar candles. Oh my gosh. I love it, I love it, I love it. So that is everything that is in the box. So I do want to, again, go over just a little bit more information with you guys. So like I said, it is $45.75 is how much the subscription starts at. And again, they have so many different categories, and you are going to receive 2 to 5 items in each box. It's going to depend on the value of the items that they put in. So I actually did get 5 items. I got 2 candle holders. I got the table runner, the buffalo plaid. I'm just like, my little heart's just screaming inside. The potpourri and the bowl. So even though like the candle holders go together and the potpourri and the bowl go together, there's still technically 5 items. So I think that is just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, I cannot wait to go set this up, and oh, it's gonna look beautiful. I'm just beyond. I actually have hanging on my sliding glass doors next to my dining table, I have little like boxwood wreaths hanging from black and white buffalo plaid ribbon. So that's actually going to look really, really nice in there. So like I said, I'll put a link down below along with those 2 promo codes. So you have the SM, was it SM Mom? No. SM5 off, for $5 off. Or if you opt into Crate Joy's mailing list, they have the 30% off. So that's really awesome. That would be a steal. This would make a great gift for Christmas or the holidays. So all that information will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, we do have an active giveaway going on right now. We have the elf holiday giveaway going on. That link is also down below, so definitely check it out if you have not already. Special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so, so much to me, and I just am beyond thankful for you guys, and I'm just so appreciative of everyone being here and watching. I mean, just being here means so much to me. So I love you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.